Relax. Everything's gonna be just fine.
But no word at all? I've been suspended a month now, Perry. I can't imagine what I would do without my badge.
You'll be fine, just as this situation will be fine. You earned your badge, you'll get it back.
I'm gonna have to face his family. Right. His mom. His dad. Took their boy.
Hey now,
Who am I?
don't get all tied up in your thoughts. Time heals all. With time, this whole situation will just disappear. Things have a way of working out. You're gonna be all right. People move forward. Do you believe me? Do you trust me?
Yeah, of course.
Good, because I trust you. You have the best view of Rockaway from up here.
Oh, shit. Okay, I gotta get there. We'll talk about that.
Perry.
Perry, arrest this man. He stole my fridge.
Sheriff Perry Taylor.
You know what separates us from the suckers, Perry? A sense of humor.
Oh, way to increase the peace, Sheriff!
Now, some of us can take a joke. And there's others who aren't smart enough to realize why it's funny.
You're not scared, are you?
No,
Good. Do the right thing.
I will. Guys, please. You made a mistake and you admit it. Acknowledgement and forgiveness. That's what makes this community great.
Fuck off, Perry!